G'day skate champions and welcome to Transition Tuesday Season 3 Episode 18. Last week I tried and failed at getting the half cab backside feeble, and in doing so I not only injured my ego but also my wrist. I haven't actually skated since then, which is a little bit of a mistake on my part, but I'm going to do a little bit of a warm-up just to get prepared to practice this one. But the two goals for today are definitely to land it, definitely not to injure myself again. And that's why I'm wearing these today. So hopefully a little bit of better luck today. Let's get stuck into it. Last week I didn't really practice just a regular feeble and coming in. So every time that I got at least into kind of a half cab feeble position, I couldn't roll out of it. That wasn't the whole issue. Also, having a massive stack was pretty bad. But I wanted to work on that and just a couple of other rotation moves just to really get the feel for this one today. It was quite quiet out here today and I just took it really slow and patient. I focused on just this trick and not like doing a really bogus half cab rock and kind of rolling away with it. I was just trying to get into the lock of the feeble. I put a lot of my attention towards the leading trucks and their rotation position on the transition just below the coping, and concentrating on where my foot was at that position so that I could pinch at the right time to keep one wheel in the transition and rotate the other one past the coping. Like I said, I took my time. I didn't overthink if I wasn't getting close. I just went back to the same methodology and kept going at it. I had a few attempts where the feeble was really far up on the deck and I wasn't able to get it back in. That had a lot to do with me changing my focus at the last minute from those rotating trucks to, being in a weird feeble position. I was super pleased to get my very first one there. I did kind of feel that I rotated and the momentum of my body and the board kind of rolled me over the coping. I got another one very shortly after, but it did kind of feel the same, where I just rolled up onto the coping. I don't think that's an overly bad thing. It's definitely a land. It just could be a little bit neater. I kept going again to get a third one, but I lost concentration and I was focusing on the feeble end of it a bit too much once more and lost that good pivot point. But like I said, really try to keep it quite zen and calm and just kept going through those motions. And then I got this final one here, which was really nice on the pivot point, very comfortable with that one. And the roll-in was great, so yeah, pretty damn successful. Super pleased to have landed the half cab feeble today, particularly after last week's what could be seen as failings, but really they're all just learnings. Come back out this week and get it is, I'm pretty proud of myself, and this is what I really like about skateboarding. You can have something that feels like you've failed, you've injured yourself, but you get back up and you keep going. So yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to keep skating, keep having fun, of course, keep progressing. Take it easy. And I really took a took some meth. That's exactly why I'm wearing these today. So hopefully a bit of better luck. What the hell? A bit of better luck?